All right, sounds good, Coach. Thank you very much. Welcome to the Diamond District, everyone. You may want to think twice before purchasing that dream home. Sure, we've seen some optimism in the market, good numbers, existing home sales, and consumer confidence on the rise. But are we really looking at a rebound? Los Angeles real estate broker Connie De Groot joining me now for the Diamond District. Connie, good to see you again. It's been a while.
Yeah, nice to see you.
Put all of this in perspective. You know, we see all these different housing markets, the stock market, the job market. People are wondering, is now time to buy a house, or should I still put it on hold?
Well, I think that real estate, if you have, a lot of knowledge and insight and you get some help, is an excellent long-term investment. There are terrific opportunities today. There have been for a while. So the answer would be, yes, there's great opportunities if you are well qualified, and if you're looking at your situation as an individual. Is your job stable? Do you think you're going to have one in a couple of years? What other obligations you have? There are big problems, as you mentioned, with our government. Taxes could go up for some, and also internationally. And so you need to be, I think, very responsible and think about this seriously before moving forward, because we certainly don't want to add any more troubles to what already exists. But definitely we're seeing amazing opportunities throughout the market. I did want to say one other thing. There's been a slip in sales in the Inland Empire in California, and I think that was a lot due to the fact that prices have been low for some time. So there's no urgency. Rates have been low for some time. Again, no urgency. And there's been competition with investors getting into the marketplace. A lot of buyers are really turned off with that competition, and they're just holding off, waiting for other homes to come on the market.
Yeah, and I know also because that government incentive, that expired as well in April.
Exactly.
Let's talk about, when you said the concern obviously about a job, the concern about taxes, and now the concern about this financial regulation that was passed today in the Senate, has to be reconciled with the House. They're saying the president may sign it even before 4th of July. Within this legislation, some of it applies to homeowners. It's going to be more difficult to get a loan. They're saying that they wanted to put it where you had to put 5% down. Well, that didn't get put in there. Who knows if it'll be in the final legislation. Okay, so are there these still no-doc loans out there, Connie? Can people still get a loan without having to prove where in the heck they're going to get the money to pay for the house?
That's a really good question. I'm not really sure, but I will tell you that I have been contacted by some lenders saying that even stated income is coming back. I cannot believe that, and I'm not sure if it's just a teaser to get me to call them and do business, but I think it's a bad idea. I cannot understand with what has happened why we would not require 5% down. I cannot understand why the originator of a loan could just sell that off without anything left over, any risk, any skin in the game. I thought we learned from the lessons of the past, so I can't understand why this wouldn't pass. This is terrible.
Well, that's the big concern, that a lot of this, little by little, it may creep back. Connie De Groot, thank you very much for joining me in the Diamond District. Good to see you.
It's been a pleasure.
All right, on tap on Happy Hour, folks, the newly crowned Miss USA, Rima Fakir.